Good morning, students of class 3. Today I'll be doing your lesson 9, the human body of science subject. Okay, I'm sorry, children. From a long time, you all did not get your science thing lessons. Every subject we have covered at least two lessons, but I'm sorry that in science we are just starting. But don't worry, I will give you all easy question answers. Explanation will be good that you won't find any problem, and I'll finish your science syllabus very fast. Okay, little faster I'll go. Now let's come back to the lesson, the human body. What is an organ? What is an organ? Your body is like a machine, but you can think, smell, and do many things that no machines can do. Okay? We can smell, we can think, we can do everything. Even animals can smell. Okay, they can also, they cannot think, but human beings can think. Human beings are the only people who can do something extraordinary. Okay, so they are the persons who can think, smell, and so many things that machines cannot do. Machines cannot do all these things, thinking, smelling, and all. How can you do so many things? Now, how are we able to do so many things? Did you understand? Now, like, you have a computer, and then you have keyboard, then you have this is a monitor, this is a CPU. Okay, this is the CPU which is there. Okay, which is CPU, and then you have a printer. Here you have a printer, you have a keyboard. So the same way in your body you have many things like this, which one work to carry on the work. Different parts give a different action. Okay, like this. What is the work of the keyboard? Just to type on the monitor your informations. What is the work of the monitor? The monitor has to show things on the thing, and then it makes it easy for you to type out things and read it out, and search things. Okay, the mouse helps you for the movements. In this way, the organs of our body also helps in many things, like, the organs of the body, that is the five sense organs. We start with that. Your body is made up of many parts that work together. Each part has its own job. Each part of the body that does a special job is called an organ. Now, what is an organ? An organ is the part of the body that does a special job, that does a special job. Did you understand? So, organ, each part of the body that does a special job is called an organ. Okay. Now, like the nose, it helps in smelling. The mouth, it helps in eating. The tongue, it helps in tasting. Sorry. How do you know about this? About things around you? How do you know what is happening around you? You can see the things around you. You can see with your eyes. Your eyes help you to see colors. Now, this is your eyes. It helps you to see your colors, to see the colors. This is red, and this is what, brownish type. This is whitish, like that. They also help you to make out if something is far or near, whether it is far or it is near. It helps you in that. It helps you to see the color, it helps you to see the design, it helps you to see the model, everything like that. Okay, whatever you see. Now, you can hear what is happening around you. You hear with your nose. Okay, we hear with our, we hear with our ears. Okay, hearing part we are doing with our ears. You can smell the things around you. You smell with your nose, with this nose. We can taste things. You taste with your tongue. This is tongue. So, we see with our eyes, we hear with our ears, we smell with our nose, and we taste with our tongue. Now, your ears help you to tell if a sound is loud, soft, pleasant or unpleasant. Now see, she's playing a piano. Now everyone likes to hear the sound of the piano if it is played well. So this is pleasant sound. What is the sound? Pleasant sound. Now this loudspeakers, when you have some function in the neighborhood, the loudspeaker's voice, it is a very unpleasant sound. You don't like to hear it. After some time, you get irritated. So this is a unpleasant sound. But the playing of the piano is a pleasant sound. Your nose helps you to say if something smells nice or bad. What do you do when you enter a dirty room or smell garbage? What do? We hold our nose or we cover our nose with the handkerchief when we smell something very bad. Like when you smell the perfumes that is giving you a good smell, and this garbage that gives you a very bad smell. Did you all understand? Now, you can taste things. You taste with your tongue. With your tongue, you taste. Your tongue helps you to taste food. It helps you to know if something is sweet, salty, sour, or bitter. Unless and until you cannot just see and tell the food is sweet or what it is. But you can just imagine that some food is made out of sugar. So, some food is made out of salt. So, salty food, we say the things which are made of salt, and sweet is sugar. So, bitter is also like you have bitter gourd, and sour you have tamarind. Okay, so pickles are sour. So, these things you can only taste and say that it is what is the taste of certain things. Okay. Now let me come back and make another video.